Hello everyone, this is Julie Fior with a new hairstyle tutorial video, and this is 40s inspired hairstyle. As you can see, I did a victory rolls, but not in 50s style when you were doing a big volume, a big buffon and big victory rolls. We actually, if we will speak a little bit about history, victory rolls are coming from 40s victory, war, Second World War, and they creating like letter V. And today I was doing actually 40s victory rolls without any teasing, without anything, just roll, just setting my hair like always with foam rollers, and my hairstyle is ready. Very fast and simple. Keep watching to see how I did this. Foam rollers 22mm overnight on the dry hair. After this, I'm brushing my hair with a vintage brush, but of course it's not necessary to use only vintage brush. You can use a modern brush too. After I'm separating the part from which I will create the first roll, I have middle parting. It will be 2 rolls with middle parting, and I'm not doing any teasing, because 40s victory rolls, it's not about big volume, it's little teeny victory rolls. So I'm just brushing this section and starting to roll. Fixing it with bobby pin at the front part, starting to create beautiful roll. So I'm using a red tail brush to do this, and also fixing with bobby pins from their front part. Actually, I'm using 2, maximum 3 bobby pins, but when you will just starting to create victory rolls, you may need more. It's not a problem, just trying not to show them. And actually I advise you to buy bobby pins matching your hair color. So for blondes, use the black one. No, not good. Also, I'm using a U-pin to create the right shape. After I will fix in the roll with the hairspray, I will remove this U-pin. And actually doing the same operation from other side. It's not necessary to try to do them the same, because it's really it's unreal goal, and actually I even like when the roles are not super ideal, and if you will check old photos from 40s, they are not ideal victory roles. They are curly, they're like, I don't know, beautiful in that natural way. And if we'll speak about 50s, they are more voluminous victory roles and they more ideal. Don't forget that this is war times, and we trying to create letter V, like victory. When the rolls is done, I'm doing just my ordinary brush out, trying to brushing the hair and to make they layer laying in beautiful waves. Don't be scary to brush them with your waves, nothing will be happened. And I'm using Tizen brush for this. And covering everything with hairspray. I very like the result, and really these teeny victory rolls are my favorite. This is one of my favorite hairstyles, and it's holding for a long time, for a few days for sure. I hope you like this and will try. Have an amazing day. Bye. Don't forget to like and follow me.